Task number 7, conclusion. In this room, we studied the importance of shell and flew to the world of Linux shells, exploring their major types. We gained a good understanding of shell scripting and its role in automating tasks. In the end, we created some cool shell scripts and solved a practical lab pertaining to a script that finds mysterious things out of different directories. Answer the question below. Complete the room. Awesome. Let's see what we'll find next. Linux shell is completed. Let's continue our learning path. Let's see where it will land. Yeah, you can just share your progress. Continue. Next room. Ooh, perfect. One subject that I love, networking. Go to the next room. And we'll see each other in the next video in networking concepts.